outside.
Luck again to the air to start. Another catch. It's T.Y. Hilton. Breaks a tackle. There's a flag thrown as Hilton is finally tackled at the 20. The penalty flag back at the Houston 48-yard line, and now Hilton late to get to his feet. So McNichols comes to the sideline. Zach Pascal, the man in motion for Indianapolis. A quick strike into the end zone. It's caught. Pascal for the Indianapolis touchdown.
He's going to stretch Sharice Wright to the outside. There is nobody in between the throwing lane from Luck and his wide receiver.